subscribe. Hi guys, aren't they so cute? Do you know that birds are the only non-living dinosaurs, also known as reptiles? Today we are going to learn some fun facts about birds. Let's begin. I got my DIY material. Let's see what bird comes first. Do you know that ostriches are large, flightless birds of Africa? Whoa! They were the largest